Ender, Gia, Riley here, yes? Only Brian is absent. Okay. Brian, he switched from the first period to our fourth period. Brian. So how was your weekend, guys? Long weekend?
It was okay, I guess. I was working a lot.
You had holidays? Yesterday we had the holidays.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That counts.
So far we learned about the mitosis, yes, which is a asexual division. Today we will learn about the meiosis sexual division. So now let's just review some terms. You can talk in groups or in pairs. Like you already know this term, mitosis, phases of mitosis, prophase, metaphase. And then today we will learn about the meiosis, which is a sexual reproduction.
Meiosis. You can't even speak about listen. I'm gonna be a teacher for now.
Discuss about.
You got a piece of paper? Okay, you got a piece of paper?
Can you guys stop? No, I don't want to. Shut up.
Guys, what is mitosis?
Mitosis is it's something that can transfer DNA and chromosomes, right? Like to divide it, like for a mom
Division.
and dad, both of them. Yeah.
Yes, division. Simple division. What's this? The worksheet? Okay.
No, I don't know the
Mitosis is a simple division where you get exactly the same copies of the cells, yes? Asexual division. All our somatic cells, we call them somatic, guys. The one that accept all cells except the sex cells, we call somatic cell. They undergo through the mitosis cell division. And today, we go over the sexual division, okay? That means meiosis, where we get the gametes. Now, by the end of this class today, you need to be able to answer these questions. How does the reduction in chromosome number occur? So what are the stages of meiosis? And then what is crossing over, why it is important? So please listen, I will go over these terms, and then we have lots of activities today to do, okay? So far, we learned about the gene, DNA, okay? Gene is a segment of the DNA, piece of the DNA that code for a protein. So what is this? Jaden? What is this? Which one is the gene? This is a pair of chromosome. Each of these is a gene, okay? That code for a protein. So, how many chromosomes we have?
46.
And pairs? 23. Yes? That's human chromosome number. And it will be different in each organism, yes? Okay? Like dogs, they have like 78 chromosomes. And so if we are talking about the human chromosome, 46 chromosomes, and they are paired because we have two parents, yes? This comes from father, this comes from mother. They are in pairs. So we have 23 pairs. We call them homologous chromosome. Homo means same, okay? Hetero means, we learned so far that hetero means different, homo means same. Homologous chromosomes. They are same in length. They have same centromere position, guys, centromere position, the same. And they carry the same genes. They carry, let's say, for the gene coding for the eye color located in the chromosome number 5, let's say. So you have that the same gene from your father and from your mother, okay? And we call them alleles, different version of the same genes, okay? Now, Gia, what's on the slide? And which phase? Prophase 1. Are the, what is this? chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. Homologous, they are same. This is another pair. So we have such 23 pairs. Yes, they are in pairs since we have two parents. What's going on here? You see, they're flipped. The legs of these chromosomes are flipped, and we have special term for that, crossing over. Guys, crossing over. Here is this crossing over. You see, as the name suggests, crossing over, they flip, they cross the information, genes between each other. Now, is this at the very beginning and these are the same? Ender?
No.
Why?
Because they're mixed.
Mixed. That's why we are not exactly the same copies of our parents or your siblings. They don't look like exactly the same as you. Why? Because each of us are unique. We have, due to the crossing over, we are the mixture, let's say, outcome of our parents. And what can we see here? How many cells it will produce? Is it 2? 4. So from one cell, you get 4 cells. You can see here. That are the sex cells, or we call them gametes. Okay? So these are, if you compare what was at the beginning and now, they are different. They are half.
Ever notice that a family might look similar, but not have exactly the same features? They might differ in height and have a different eye color. This is due to a process in sexual reproduction known as meiosis. Gametes are formed during meiosis, a type of cell division wherein the cell undergoes 2 nuclear divisions, reducing the number of chromosomes in the cell by half. This process occurs in 9 steps. During interphase, dense and begin to form pairs at this stage.
So you have a schoolnet test, like at which test, no, I mean, you have a question on the test, like at which stage, what is this? What is the name of this? We just learned this. Crossing over, okay? You have a question, like, at what stage the crossing over happened? Prophase 1. The correct answer will be. So, all right, guys, let's now do some work. So based on these terms that we learned, you're gonna now solve some questions, fill out forms, okay? So you will do it in groups of 3. Please, let's divide into a groups of 3. Guys, sent before? Okay. You may have a seat here, join this group. Yes.
Who got a pencil?
Okay, guys, I will give you 10 minutes to go over these questions, okay? Fill out these blanks, and then we spend 5 minutes to check, okay?
Isn't there a repeat on meiosis?
It has, yes, stages, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. What is the end product? Sex cells, okay? How many cells you get from one cell?
4.
4 cells, okay? Okay, guys, you may discuss all together. 3 facts. Put the terms.
Oh, this is like the worst thingy?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What's for this?
Write 3 facts you learned. If you finish this, you may fill all this, okay? Come on, guys, discuss this. So these visuals will be helpful in answering the questions, guys. These visual illustrations will be helpful in answering the questions. Use these, guys, to answer the questions. Yes. So here you will write 3 facts about meiosis. You may use this, okay? You may use this, the words here, the illustrations. Fill out these blanks. And there, come on. Ajayla, you may work on together on one. Okay, now, so this group will share with us their answers about the facts that you discovered about the meiosis. Come on. The first one. Okay, homologous pairs line up at the equator. And how do we name that stage, the phase? It has term, metaphase. Next, beginning. At the very beginning, a cell replicates before entering the meiosis. Next, Tyrick, what's the other fact about the meiosis?
They can have 4 genes in one cell.
Yes, four cells. Next one. This group, guys, will share about the chromosome. Come on.
The chromosome, which is there, chromosomes, and then there's one sex chromosome, right?
Ender, where do you find chromosomes? Where do you find chromosome? Inside the cell.
It's like a cell in your head. Like,
Yes, cell. And we learned so far lots of parts, organelles of the cell. Nucleus. Ender?
a segment of DNA on a chromosome that controls the production of a protein is called a
What? Segment of a DNA.
I got it. A gene.
Gene. Great job. Next. Abdiel? Second sentence.
This one. A protein is called a blank cell contains
2 copies of each chromosome. So, time we will do the quizzes game. Guys, you have short multiple choice questions. Grab your Chromebooks.
Which one is these 2?
It's called a gene.
Oh, I didn't
A
know
gene.
that.
Gene.
I was looking for something.
And diploid cells.
This one?
Yes, diploid cells. There is no number. You can take any of them.
And this one, haploid. This one? What is this one?
Diploid, this is a sex cell or gamete. Okay, let's join the quizzes very quickly. Meiosis is, in meiosis 1, you have homologous chromosomes separating.
I knew it. I just didn't know which one it was.
What's the significance of crossing
half number haploid. Great.
Keep it a major grade.
We'll see, we'll see.
Me and Sulema are done.
Good. So, let's see. Yes,
Where's metaphase 2 on?
metaphase?
Yeah, this phase 1, but it's metaphase.
Metaphase 2, the same. Meta stands for middle. So, now, not homologous, just chromosomes separate. I mean, line up at the middle.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you. Thank you.
M stands for middle. M stands for middle. Two main stages of meiosis. 1, 2, yes. Great job.
I didn't finish. I had 2 more questions.
That's fine. So, okay. Let's finalize the terms that we learned, guys. So, 46 chromosomes at the very beginning end up with 23 chromosomes, okay? We call them gametes, the sex cells.